Me, manners! Don't forget!
Mimi loved snack time on the playground. She had a yummy cheese sandwich. Yum, 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 she shouted, taking a very big bite. Crumbs fell on her shirt, and she talked with her mouth full. Want some? Her friend, Tom, sat nearby. When Mimi talked with her mouth full, a tiny crumb flew out. Tom looked a little surprised and moved away a tiny bit. Mimi saw his face and felt a little sad. She didn't mean to. Teacher Clara walked over. She smiled gently. Mimi, eating can be super fun and polite, she said. Try taking a small bite, then chew with your mouth closed like a little secret. After you swallow, then you can talk. Mimi really wanted to try. She picked up her sandwich again. She took a tiny bite, closed her mouth tight, and chewed quietly. She swallowed. This sandwich is yummy, she said, smiling clearly. Tom smiled back. Yes, it is yummy, he agreed. Mimi finished her snack, taking small, polite bites. No more crumbs flew, and her tummy felt happy, and so did her friends.